Hi guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So before we head ahead, I would request all of you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon for timely updates. Now, moving ahead and talking about what happened in the market this week, we've seen that the August series ended and it was quite a volatile series. We've seen swings within a range, which makes it even more difficult for a direction to capture. But overall, we've seen that the expiry was quite well, and the rollovers which came over for Nifty was in line with its 3 months average around 77%. Also, Bank Nifty rollovers were also in line with the 3 months average rollover, which means that basically people have been carrying over considerable amount of longs to the next series. Now, 1st September being the start of the new series, we've seen that there has been amazing support based buying at 19,250 zones, and the market rallied up almost 200 points during the day. Now, this is a very kick start to the month and a good series starting with a lot of action in stock specific action. So now let's talk about the sectors in focus. We've seen that auto sectors have already started their rally, and as we enter into the September month, and the series will play out for the auto sector a lot. Apart from the auto sector, we've seen some action in the reality space as well, and some of the telecom and digital space as well. So these are some of the sectors which are going to continue their rally and upside potential. Now, some of the weak sectors involve some profit booking in metals, a lot of volatility in pharma stocks as well. But of course, these are high beta sectors, so keep in mind a strict stop loss while you're trading these sectors. Now, India VIX was up, above 12.75 zones, which was making the bears, comfortable at these zones. But then again, we've seen that there was quite a strong support based buying, and then we've seen that India VIX also cooled down below 11.5, and there has been a good comeback of the bulls. Now, we've seen outperformance in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. So definitely Nifty is holding on to 19,250 levels. So this is a crucial support to watch out for in the next week. On the upside, we've seen a little hurdle at 560 zone. So this is one level which you can watch out for. The next level which comes out is 19,650 zones. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that there has been some support at 44,250 and 44,000 levels, while hurdles are placed at 44,750 and 45,000 zones. So these are the levels which you can watch out for in the index. Now, talking about specific banking stocks, we've seen that a lot of heavyweight banking stocks have seen action, and this is going to keep the banking index afloat even despite the PSU taking a little back front. So this is the entire sector space which is going to play out. Now, important takeaways from the video is watch out for auto space, watch out for some of the defense space. Defense is going to do well because there has been a good amount of volume based buying over here as well. Also look out for some of the IT stocks which are holding on to its higher zones, and we've seen that some of the IT mid-cap names have come out of its long consolidation zone. So now this is acting as a good risk-reward ratio at these levels. So watch out for these three sectors, and watch out for the Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Use any declines to buy, and we will see a good stock specific action in the coming week. So see you all next week, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.